Hello, thank you for joining me, Vanessa from Lux Live again today. We are very excited to show you this 3-bedroom lock-up-and-go townhouse in the Madison, in Amberfield, heart of Centurion. So let's go inside and see what this unit has to offer. As you see immediately when we step inside, we are greeted by an open plan dining room, living rooms, kitchen area. I love this because it is very intimate, it keeps the family together. I love this island, Lebona. The owners actually extended this, so it's quite unique from the other units,
Okay, nice.
which gives you a lot of space here to work on. You can see that over here you've got your oven. This is a induction stovetop, which is great. I love this tap. This is also unique and custom made. I think I might get one for my own house as well. What do you think?
Yeah, very pretty.
The kitchen opens up to the outside. We've got a lovely spacious pantry here, and there's actually space for 3 appliances here. They've got 2 here. This owner actually prefers the countertop space, but you can fit a tumble dryer on top here as well, which is great. We move to the living room area.
I also like the light.
Oh, the pennant. I forgot to mention that. It's very unique, and I love the element it brings to the unit.
It gives it a different ambience.
Yes. Living room area, very spacious. I've got a lovely modern couch fitted here, so you can see this is quite big, so easily can fit your living room couches here. And then we move to the dining room area. This is a 6-seater. You can see it fits comfortably. And when we move directly outside, it opens up to a patio where you can have your summer family or friend braais. This is also quite unique to the other units because this built-in braai was done custom made by the owners, so the units don't come with these.
Oh,
and
okay.
yeah, and lovely garden space. So you can see this is actually a lovely family home. You can put your kids' jungle gym here, trampoline, watch them play while you relax on your patio, having a braai, having your afternoon coffee, whatever you prefer.
I love these units, hey?
They're so modern, and I love the fact that it's, like I said, lock up and go.
And it's got beautiful finishes.
And the unit also comes with a carport and a single garage, which is very convenient.
Okay, so before we go upstairs, there you have your clock room. For convenience downstairs, you don't have to go upstairs when you need to use the bathroom.
Thank you for reminding me. I almost forgot about that important point. As we reach upstairs, we are greeted by a small landing, which leads us to our first guest bedroom, which is quite spacious. As Lebona follows me, you can see there's enough space for a queen-size, double-size bed with your dressing room table. This unit actually has 4 built-in cupboards, so there's a lot of space for your clothes, which is quite unique. Nice big open windows to let in the natural light. Then for the master bedroom, also very spacious, additional cupboards here. You can see we've got 2 on that side and 4 over this side. Natural light coming in, big windows, and a very spacious ensuite bathroom that Lebona is going to show you now.
Spacious bathroom. There you have your floating cabinet, a sizable mirror, and you have a shower. It's actually a full bathroom.
Very convenient to have a shower and a bath. You wouldn't expect a bathroom that size in a unit, generally in a 3-bedroom unit.
Yes.
We have a shared bathroom here with a shower.
There you have your shared bathroom here. And the shower on the side.
Over here we've got our third bedroom, which is currently being used as a study. It's got also 4 built-in cupboards here, so it can easily be used as a spare bedroom or conveniently for office space if you're working from home.
There's actually a lot of storage in this house because you have a lot of cupboards in all the rooms.
Lots of cupboard space, yes. So you've just seen a 3-bedroom lock-up-and-go townhouse in the Madison, Amberfield, with a single garage, carport, patio, built-in braai, private garden. It's very conveniently located in close to Amberfield College, shopping centres and very easy access to the highway. If you can see yourself living in this unit, give me a call today.